How to find and access TikTok shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So this problem is quite common on TikTok, so you don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is just open up your TikTok profile, and after that on the top right hand side corner you would be able to see three lines. Just simply click on it and it is the menu of your TikTok. Just simply go to the settings and privacy after that, and there just scroll down, and there you would be able to find the option of report a problem. Simply click on it. Then you need to click on the option of submit a report. You would be able to find it after you scroll down till the very end. Now after clicking on submit a report, you would be able to see that you need to type a message. Just simply tell them that you are facing this particular problem where your TikTok shop is not showing up. So after typing your message, just simply click on submit, and in 1 to 3 business days TikTok will be replying to you and responding back to you with the solution why and tell you why exactly your shop is not showing up, and this way they will be able to help you in solving this particular problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.